Welcome to English grammar class. In this channel, I am going to upload all the grammar topics. I will try my level best to give correct information. These topics are very useful to the students from class 6 to intermediate. Please subscribe my channel. In this class, we are going to learn about agreement of the verb with the subject. Agreement of the verb with the subject. Subject verb agreement plays a very important role. We have given 16 rules. Rule 1. Two or more singular nouns are joined by and, the verb will be plural. Example, Ravi and Ramu are friends. In this sentence, Ravi and Ramu, these two are two singular nouns. These two are joined by and. So we have taken helping verb in plural as are. Rule number 2. The singular nouns joined by and pointing the same thing or same person, the verb will be singular. Example, the collector and the district magistrate is away. In this sentence, the collector and the district magistrate are same, both are same. So we have taken helping verb as singular. In this sentence, the helping verb is. In the second example, the collector and the district magistrate are away. In this sentence, we have taken helping verb in plural because the collector and the district magistrate are different persons. Rule number 3. Two subjects are joined by as well as. The verb agrees with first subject. Example, Vijay as well as his children is playing. In this sentence, the two subjects are Vijay and his children. These two subjects are joined by as well as. So, we have taken helping verb according to the first subject. The first subject is Vijay. So, we have taken helping verb in singular. The helping verb is. Rule number 4. Words such as neither, either, every, each, everyone, many are followed singular verb. Example, every one of them desires this. In the given example, the sentence begin with everyone. So, we have taken verb in singular form. Rule number 5. If two subjects are joined by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the second subject. Example, either my brother or I am to do this work. In this sentence, the two subjects are my brother and I. These two subjects are joined by either or. So, we have taken helping verb according to the second subject. The second subject is I. The suitable helping verb for I is am. So, in this sentence, the helping verb is am. Rule number 6. Noun is singular in form, collective in sense. Takes singular verb. Example, the parliament has elected its speaker. In this sentence, the noun parliament is in singular form but in collective sense. So, we have taken helping verb in singular form. The helping verb in the given sentence is has. In the second example, the committee is very important. Committee is singular in form, collective in sense. So, we have taken singular verb. The helping verb in the sentence is. Rule number 7. A great many is always followed by a plural noun and plural verb. Example, a great many people have been declared successful. This sentence begins with a great many. So, we have taken helping verb have. In the second example, a great many men have come. In this sentence, the sentence begins with a great many. So, we have taken noun in plural and also verb in plural. The plural noun is men and the verb is have. Rule number 8. If two subjects are joined by with, together with, no less than, in addition to, and no, the verb agrees with first subject. Example, he is no less than to blame than I. In this sentence, the two subjects are he and I. These two are joined by no less than. So, we have taken helping verb according to the first subject. In this sentence, the helping verb is is. Rule number 9. Nouns plural in form but singular in meaning takes a singular verb. Example, this news was broadcast by All India Radio yesterday. In this sentence, the noun news is in plural but singular in meaning, so we have taken helping verb in singular form. The helping verb in the sentence is was. Rule number 10. Two subjects are joined by not only but also verb agrees with second subject. Example, not only principal but also students were playing. In this sentence, the two subjects principal and students are joined by not only but also. So, we have taken helping verb according to the second subject. Rule number 11. When subjects are joined by or, verb agrees with second subject. Example, Vinay or his sisters were there. In this sentence, the two subjects are Vinay and his sisters. These two are joined by or. So, we have taken helping verb according to the second subject. The second subject is his sisters. So, the helping verb we have taken is according to the second subject. In this sentence, the helping verb is were. Rule number 12. When subjects of different numbers and persons joined by and, verb must be plural. Example, he and I are friends. In this sentence, the two subjects are he and I. These two are joined by and. So, we have taken helping verb in plural. In this sentence, the helping verb is are. Rule number 13. Some nouns which are singular in form but plural in number take a plural verb. Example, people were shouting. In this sentence, the noun people is singular in form but plural in number. So, we have taken helping verb in plural. In the given sentence, the helping verb is were. Rule number 14. Plural noun denotes some particular quality or amount considered as a whole. It takes a singular verb. Example, 100 miles is a long distance. In this sentence, the noun 100 miles is in plural form but it gives particular quality or amount. So, we have taken helping verb in singular form. Rule number 15. Title of books, countries' names, subjects look like plurals but actually are followed singular verb. Example, mathematics is a different subject. In this sentence, mathematics is the name of the book. So, we have taken helping verb in singular form. In the second example, the Arabian Nights is an interesting book. The Arabian Nights is the title of the book. So, we have taken helping verb in singular. Rule number 16. When subject is relative pronoun, the verb agrees with the relative pronoun refers. Example, Hari, who is my best friend, has a thirst for knowledge. In this sentence, the relative pronoun who refers subject Hari. So, we have taken helping verb according to the subject. In this sentence, who refers Hari. So, we have to take helping verb according to the subject Hari. The suitable helping verb is. I hope all of you understood about subject verb agreement. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.